this lady's her gate, above her gate now the mud has been filled. And she wanted to come out of her gate. Police put a cordon in front of her gate, stating that she cannot exit. अरे इतको मैं बाहर सरपाई भितर सरपायचे. I mean this is not done. What is it? Is it a democracy that we are living in a democracy or this is a dictatorship? Railway कितना मोटा है, officer कितना मोटा है. Only in Goa you have this protest. अरे we are not concerned what is happening in Bihar and UP. We are concerned regarding our state and how our state government is bending backwards to accommodate this. अरे चोरी ती दिसा चोरी. राती चोरपा नाका, राती मोठा आहे चोर. पुलिस येतात नाही का? पुलिस वाहनाचं ट्रायल केल्या. पुलिस येतात आणि पुलिस हे पितो खाता. लोकांक आमच्या
आम्ही डायल करून पुलिसा आपयला ते आमकां भितर घालपाक होता. दॅट इज नॉट करेक्ट नो आणि दॅट इज आवर रायट ऑफ वे. ते मुखार आमची गेटी मुखार आसा ती रायट ऑफ वे.
आणि हुडक्यान वचपाक वाट ना मागीर तुमकां?
ना वाट ना.
Police are acting as if they are the agents of this South Western Railway. They सांगता no, you don't object. You तुमके मेळटे घ्या. अरे ही भिकारी सगळी भिकारी हे they are the landowners. They are the landowners of their land, rightful landowners. As per the description record, it is showing that your land is up to the railway line. And then भिकारी को तुम्ही याला putting them. This lady is in her compound now last 4-5 months. Neighbor also they have also their landlocked. Not to think back it was a motorable road. Agent जागो acquisition गेलो. It survey 8/1 in Iswarsi. What they do? There is no demarcation done. वयल्या सावन तेगे आपले फॉरेस्ट कवर आसले 15 to 20 मीटर हाईट. वयल्या सावन माती गायली आख्खे ते फॉरेस्ट दोन झोरे आसले. आख्खे ते काबार कोण वयल्या सावन माती घालताले. अरे किती परिवर्तन मोठं आहे. गव्हर्नमेंट इज सेइंग ग्रो मोर ट्रीज. पुणे मागचा 200 एक झाडां फॉरेस्ट फ्रूट बेरिंग ट्रीज काबार गेली.
असो सरकार पयलो युनेस्को सायट आमचे वेस्टर्न घाट काबार करपाक सोदता आनी वेलसांवचे जी गोरां जे कदंबा एरान बांदलेली हेरिटेज सायटां तांकां ते काबार करपाक सोदता. लोकांक डिस्प्लेस करपाक सोदता. लोकांक रस्त्यार घालपाक सोदता आनी तेजे उपरांत कोलाच्या धुरान लोकांक काबार करपाक सोदता. आतां 26 मे 2023 सर्वे डिपार्टमेंटान नोटिफिकेशन घातलें पेपराचेर की आमी प्रोमोलगेशन ऑफ लँड ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ साउथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वे आमी 114 फॉर्म दिवपाक सोदता. एज पर दॅट नोटिफिकेशन काडलेलें आनी 30 डेजान आमकां रिप्लाय दिवपाक जाय आशिल्ली. 30 डेजान आमचे लँड ओनरांनी रिप्लाय दिली सायटींग ऑल द डॉक्युमेंटेशन विच इज इन देअर पोजेशन. आतां वी हॅव सीन द रेल्वे हॅज गिवन एन ऑब्जेक्शन हॅज गिवन सम रिप्लायज आनी इफ यू सी इन द रिप्लाय तितून ते म्हणटा की कॅडेस्ट्रल प्लॅन आशिल्लो आनी एज पर द कॅडेस्ट्रल प्लॅन रेल्वे लायन आशिल्ली आनी तेच्याच रेल्वे ट्रॅकाच्या सायडीक लँड आपणाची आशिल्ली. आतां कॅडेस्ट्रल प्लॅन या रिप्लायन ना आनी कॅडेस्ट्रल प्लॅन फॉर सम रिजन इज मिसींग फ्रॉम वेलसांव. मात तुका ही ओनरशीप कशी मेळ्ळी? ही प्लॅन कशी येयली? सेकंड तेजे उपरांत तेंच्यांनी कितें म्हणलां ना एज पर द लँड रेव्हेन्यू कोड 1969 until your documentation is complete you can claim ownership. म्हळ्यार तुझे सगळे आतां जरी हांव घर बांदपाक सोदता I have to produce my sale deed. I have to produce my other succession deed if it's an ancestral property. आणि तशें करून 114 फॉर्म म्हाजे मेळता आनी तेजे उपरांत हांव परमिशन घेवपाक शकता. तेजे पयलीं नोबडी कॅन टेक परमिशन. आतां जे पळय इलिगॅलिटीज पळय साउथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वेची ओनरशीप टायटल कोर्टान आसा सबज्युडिस मॅटर चालू आसा डिपार्टमेंट परमिशन दिता. हे काम चालू कशें जालें? जे आतां चालू आसा इलिगल काम लँड फिलिंग जाता न्हंय पुरयता उदकाची वाट पुरयता लोकांक लँड लॉक केल्या. अरे हे चल्लां कितें? ही डिपार्टमेंट आहा खंय आहा? वेर इज द कलेक्टर? वेर इज द मामलादार? वेर इज द TCP डिपार्टमेंट? हाऊ इज दॅट दीस पीपल आर गिवन परमिशन? सो हे टोटल फ्रॉड पळय आहा हे साउथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वेन केला अँड द सॅड पार्ट इज द डिपार्टमेंट्स आर हँड इन ग्लव्स विथ दिस वायलेटर्स. आता वी हॅव सीन ऑल्सो कोणाची गाडी उखलली ती पाक केल्ली रस्त्याचेर ती उखलली. म्हळ्यार दादागिरी जाला. म्हूण आयज हो सरकार करपाक सोदता कितें आमी पयला ओल्ड गोवा युनेस्को सायट काबार करपाक सोदता पूण सगळ्यात जे हेरिटेज जे आसा गोंयची आनी जे गोंयकार जे आसा रूट गोंयकार आसा तांकांय काबार करपाक सोदता. सो आमी मागता कन्सर्न डिपार्टमेंटाक ताबडतोब स्टॉप वर्क ऑर्डर काडची. अदरवायज we will be forced to compel to take action on each and every person who is involved in giving permission. आता आमकां माहिती मेळ्ळ्या की डिपार्टमेंट सर्वे डिपार्टमेंट इज गिविंग इज पुटिंग 114 फॉर्माचेर नाव घालता रेल्वेचे when the matter is still heard in the ISLR court. म्हणून हे चलना कितें कांयच प्रोसिजर ना. सो साऊथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वे इज एक्टिंग लायक अ स्टेट विथ इन द स्टेट जाय थंय करतले. मागीर डिपार्टमेंट कितें आहा लँड रेव्हेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट कितें ती समजी स्क्रॅप करा मरे डिपार्टमेंट. आनी तशें वाली विथ पॉझेशन एंड ऑक्युपेशनाचेर जोरी ओनरशीप मेळटा ते मुणकारेल केस इतली वर्सां कित्याक चलता तांकांय दी मरे पॉझेशन अशें आहा जाल्यार. सो हें चलना ते हें चलना. दिस इज द पीपल ऑफ कासावली वेलसांव आरोसी पाले हॅज बीन सफरिंग and it is high time the government has to look into these illegalities and act before it is too late.
कोर्टान इंजक्शन किती हाडला तुम्ही
ना कोर्टान आतां आमकां रिप्लाय आयज मेवला केस आसा एप्रील 15 बट एज पर द रिप्लाय दे हॅव गिवन अस इनसफिशियंट डॉक्युमेंटेशन which we will be replying back. So what we are saying is until this procedure is complete of ownership, you have to halt work. The work what is, can I start a construction without ownership? म्हणजे कलेक्टरान हा कित्याक रे कलेक्टरान सोडपाचें कलेक्टर ही बेसिक थिंग द कलेक्टर डो नॉट नो टू अपहोल्ड द लॉ देन वाय वी रिक्वायर कलेक्टर्स इन गोवा. सो हे फकाणां जालेलें आसा म्हळ्यार कोणें टुमोरो आय कॅन गो एंड बिल्ड एनीवेर वेरेवर आय वॉन्ट हे फकाणां जालेलीं.
रेल्वेज आर वर्किंग इन एरिया विच इज नॉट देयर्स
100%
विथ नो डॉक्युमेंटेशन.
So what will you do next step?
No, आता आम्ही we are already filed matters in the High Court and in the District Court. So we are waiting for the hearings and the court order. But what we are saying is until the ownership is being verified, until you complete the documentation as per the Land Revenue Code, you cannot start work unless and until your documentation is clear. So ते तुम्ही clear करा आणि तो मागीर कितें आसा दुसरो प्रोसिजर करा.
This is not effective.
But this is affecting the entire village न्ही. आता आम्ही पळयलेले आसा तूं एक्झिस्टिंग ट्रॅकाचेर व्हायब्रेशनाक लागून ऑलरेडी चालू जालेले ते लोकांचे लँड लॉक जाला गाडी थिंगा कुसल्या भितर आनी गेटी वयर रस्तो बांदला. हे खंयचे खंय पळयला हे डेव्हलपमेंट गेटी वयल्यार रस्तो आनी ते हाव द पर्सन शूड कम हाव दॅट सिनियर सिटीजन शूड कम आउट.
How long did it take you to get these documents from the collector?
So this year,
From January.
From January,
22nd.
we have been waiting, and there is a deliberate attempt to delay, so that they can continue their work. And मागीर म्हणटले काम जातकूच आता आम्ही काय करपाक शकना इतले पैसे म्हणले गव्हर्नमेंट पैसे म्हणटले and we have to continue म्हणटले. So हे deliberate attempt by the South Western Railway and its contractor RVNL should be banned.
कब्जा करपाक सोदता
कब्जा ही हुकुमशाही झाली. आम्ही म्हणटले पोर्चुगीज हुकुमशाही करतले म्हणून हे हुकुमशाही साऊथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वे करता आणि गव्हर्नमेंट न्हिदला.
Not only that, they are using the state machinery, including the Goa police. This lady, please. This lady, her gate, above her gate, now the mud has been filled. And she wanted to come out of her gate. Police put a cordon in front of her gate, stating that she cannot exit. अरे इतको मैं बाहेर सरपाचें भितर सरपाचें. I mean, this is not done. What is it? Is it a democracy that we are living in a democracy, or this is a dictatorship? Railway कितना मोटा, officer कितना मोटा. Only in Goa you have this protest. अरे we are not concerned what is happening in Bihar and UP. We are concerned regarding our state and how our state government is bending backwards to accommodate this. अरे चोरीची दिसा चोरी. राती चोरपा नाका राती मोठा न्हू चोर पुलीस येता तेका पुलीस 100 डायल केल्या पुलीस येता आणि पुलीस एक भितो घाता लोकांक आमच्या.
आम्ही डायल करून पुलिसा आपयला ते आमकां भितर घालपाक होता. दॅट इज नॉट करेक्ट न्हू आनी दॅट इज अवर रायट ऑफ वे. जे मुखार आमचे गेटी मुखार आसा ती रायट ऑफ वे
आणि हुंयच्यान वचपाक वाट ना मागीर तुमकां
ना वाट ना.
फाटल्यान तेजी शेजारी आहा. She has known this.
We have to request the neighbor that I want to move out from that side and I'm just coming out, but my vehicle cannot come out.
At least तुम्ही
आणि आता 1.5 महिन्यान आता काल देखून सांजे बारीकसो पावस पडला. 1.5-2 महिन्यान आता भरपूर पावस जातलो. हेची घर फ्रॉम द झिरो लेवल सकल पांयड आली की 6 to 8 मीटर पांयड आली ती आता तेन पुरोयन आणि 3-4 मीटर माती गायल्या. ते उदक वयतलें आता ते घरां पिंटा वयतलें. ते घर 400 year old घरां सोगल्यांची घरां 300 to 400 years old.
Demolish जातो ना, automatically
They
demolish.
will just collect like a pack of cards. I'm म्हणटा कितें Mamladar even our Khalati has even given a report which is favorable to the public, stating that they have been dumping mud illegally. Why is the Mamladar? Why is the deputy collector? Why is the collector not taking cognizance of these facts?
No, have there any trenches and all been built?
No,
and
now
all
they are saying
because
they
rains
built
are on.
a 60 to 90 centimeter trench. कळलं का? त्या 60 आता 6 to 8 meter wide ती आमची it was a tributary to the river Sal. ती आतली 6 to 8 meter and water is to gush. You couldn't even stand during the rains. इतला प्रेशरान ते by gravity उदक वयता. ते 60 to 90 meter trench बांदून दिता म्हणटा. हा? Police आमकां सांगता, police are acting, the Goa police are acting as if they are the agents of this South Western Railway. ते सांगता no, you don't object. तुमकां कितें मेळटा तें घेया म्हण. अरे ही भिकारी सगळी भिकारी they are the landowners. They are the landowners of their land, rightful landowners. As per the description record, it is showing that the land is up to the railway line. And then भिकारी कोताय तुम्ही याला putting them. This lady's car in her compound now last 4-5 months. The neighbor also they have also their car landlocked. Motor they could buy car. It was a motorable road. There is this gentleman, Mr. Please come here. He जागो acquisition गेलो. He survey 8/1 in Iswarsing. What they do? There is no demarcation done. Oil and son तेजे आखे forest tower आहले 15 to 20 meter height. वयल्यासून माती गायली अख्खे ते फॉरेस्ट 2 झोरे आसले अख्खे ते काबार कोण वयल्यासून माती गाताय. अरे कितें परिवर्तन मोठा गव्हर्नमेंट इज सेइंग ग्रो मोर ट्रीज. उणे मागसो 200 एक झाडां फॉरेस्ट फ्रूट बेरिंग ट्रीज काबार गेली. ब्रुनो स्पीक अप.
I think they've been highlighting this many a times in the newspapers. It has come in the newspapers. Here's my brother also. We're testing against these people. Now, we two people go up on top. And we are manhandling. Who is there to take responsibility? The senior citizens. I'm just managing whatever I can to provide the sustenance of my family, which is not inherited by my family. If they are going to walk over us, then what is left for us? Depending on the government, we have made so many requests. And yet,
These two gentlemen, they go there. Armed police come from Railway Protection Force. Imagine this, we don't know what will be the situation. And it is at a steep, it is a non-development slope actually. The way they have destroyed the valley. And what they have done, they have no embankment even built, that all that loose mud will flow down the valley. Below he is cultivating his fields. For generation he is cultivating his fields till today. So this wash will go and submerge his. I mean, they are destroying the total topography. Complaints have been filed to the TCP, and they say no, there is no. Which is very surprising that there is no railways, right? There is no hill cutting. There are video evidences. This gentleman has.
सगळे authorities against the people काय म्हणा बेलसा.
किती आहे? Now there is also a matter in Sankwad. Dr. Nora. Now finally she discovered, poor lady, that her land has just disappeared. The other day when they went to the property, entire area, it is maybe about 1.5 kilometers in length, and maybe 400 to 500 meters wide. They said your land is in the sea. She showed her records, survey records. They are showing her up to the udak yatno things on they are mota amgele udak. Revensiache. To get land mota doiri aha mota. Are kiti? Now she has gone to the High Court. The matter is sub judice. She's gone to the High Court. High Court has given direction to the DSLR to do the survey. We don't know when it will be. In the interim, they are continuing the work. Hundreds of trees have been just felled. And how they fell it? They use the bulldozers to fell these trees.
Local authorities में अपने पंचायत.
Local authority, see, the only recourse now is the legal system. That is the only recourse. And other thing we know, there has to be mass agitation finally. Something which we do not want to do, but I think now in this 1.5 months time, her house is on an imminent verge of collapse. Where is the disaster management? This is in the same building. I think we have to go and get out the disaster management before it happens as a preemptive measure. I think we need to cover na ki chapa ha den gawan. Why are these officers paid salaries? We are taxpayers.
नाला शेवटी आता एज्युकेशन घातलं म्हणतात तुम्ही
करपाक पडटलें न्हू नाल्यार जीव दिना मरपाचें सुसायड कमीट करपाक पडटलें आमच्या सगळ्या गांवांत आतां आमचो गांव हाली जाला आख्खे तूं यो आनी चोय फाल्यां येन चोय हांव तुका वता एवरी सेकंड हावस इज वेकेटेड
So today it is railway. Tomorrow they can do it like this anywhere, no?
दे वील फाल्यां कोण आमी घरांत घुसतले आनी इशू another issue is there these rail workers none of them have identification. The panchayat has written several times to the railway authority that they should have identification. We don't know who is coming. Murders are taking place, rapes are taking place in that vicinity. So there is, and most of our people are either youngsters, school-going children, or senior citizens, because most of our able-bodied men and women are overseas, either overseas or in Bangalore or Mumbai or wherever, getting out a living. So it is a very sad situation.
So that means next hearing on 15th of April.
15th, yeah, at 11:30 am.